Hello and welcome to KSG India Explainer video. The topic of this video is IMF's debt recast program. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said the International Monetary Fund's debt restructuring program should aim at helping the countries overcome the fiscal stress caused by the coronavirus pandemic. It would be important to take into consideration the circumstances and concerns of both creditors and debtors, and that in the process of debt restructuring, care must be taken to not saddle the debtor countries with overly burdensome conditionalities while addressing the G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meeting through video conferencing. Going into the details, one of the key outcomes of the G20 action plan has been the debt service suspension initiative, which provides time-bound suspension of debt service payments for the low-income debtor countries that request forbearance, a finance ministry said. The initiative came into effect in April and was initially agreed till the end of 2020. The G20 finance ministers and central bank governors agreed to extend the DSSI by 6 months and to examine by the time of 2021 International Monetary Fund World Bank Group Spring meetings if the economic and financial situation requires a further extension of the initiative. To receive DSSI relief, countries are required to apply for an arrangement with the International Monetary Fund, which could be either a regular program or a shorter-term emergency facility. This process should primarily be guided by the objective of helping such countries overcome the fiscal stress caused by the pandemic. G20 action plan have to be kept relevant in the current policy context for the action points to remain effective as a policy response to COVID-19. Now, the thing that we have to focus upon is that how DSSI works. The DSSI was approved in April. It offers a temporary suspension of official sector or government-to-government debt payments to 73 countries here, although only 43 have signed up so far. The 6-month extension announced will see it run until at least June 30th, 2021. The payments covered are not forgiven but delayed, but with a repayment period of 5 years and a 1 year of grace period is there. The rescheduling is intended to be what is known as the net present value neutral. The World Bank estimates that to date, the 43 countries that have signed up for DSSI have deferred just over $5 billion of debt. To receive DSSI relief, countries are required to apply for an arrangement with the IMF. That could be either a regular program or a shorter-term emergency facility. Countries have to commit to use freed up resources to increase social, health, or economic spending in response to the current crisis. Beneficiaries also commit to disclose all public sector debt and debt-like instruments. Eligible countries would include all International Development Association countries and all least development countries that are currently on debt service to the IMF and the World Bank. This means 72 active IDA borrowing countries plus Angola. At the Riyadh G20 Leaders Summit in November 2020, the G20 will publish a framework for providing debt relief outside of the DSSI, which may be required on a case-by-case basis. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you so very much for watching KSGindia.com. The entire channel is based on the studies of UPSC examination. If you liked our video, kindly click on the like button and let us know in the comment sections that what other topics do you want us to discuss on this channel. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned.